I'm your Viprajesh again, and in this video today, I would like to talk about the new Tata Safari flagship SUV. Yes, as a big surprise, Tata Motors has revealed that they will soon launch the Tata Safari as a next generation model. But yes, we have already seen the next generation Tata Safari by the name of H7X or the Tata Buzzard or the Tata Gravitas. Yes, this is going to be a 7-seater version of the existing Tata Harrier SUV. And Tata Motors has announced that this 7-seater SUV will get the iconic Safari nameplate. Staying true to the iconic Safari design language, this next generation Tata Safari will also feature a stepped roof and stadium-style 3-row seating. Tata Motors also claims that the third row will be properly accommodable, while the car itself is based on the Land Rover Discovery Sport derived Omega Arc platform. However, Tata Motors has already revealed that the next generation Tata Safari will be available only with a front-wheel drive configuration. That said, the new generation Tata Safari is likely to be decently capable off-road, as it will also feature various terrain response modes carried over from the Tata Harrier. The next generation Tata Safari is likely to be exactly the same car as seen at the Delhi Auto Expo earlier in February 2020 and also carries forward a lot of features from the Tata Harrier. To begin with, the front fascia is going to look almost exactly the same as the Tata Harrier, with high-mounted LED DRLs and the Bison-on headlamps along with the fog lamps located on the front bumper. The alloy wheel design also is going to be carried forward from the Tata Harrier. However, this new Safari will feature 18-inch alloy wheels on the top spec variants. Similar to the original Tata Safari, this new generation Tata Safari will also feature long roof rails as standard across all variants. Similar to the Tata Safari Storm, the spare wheel will be mounted underneath the body. Coming to the interior, the new Tata Safari will feature an interior layout quite similar to the Tata Harrier. However, unlike the Tata Harrier's brown and black interior, the Safari will feature a white and grey color combination. Similar to the Tata Harrier, the Safari will also feature a floating island 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, along with the very same semi-digital instrument cluster, and a whole host of other features including cruise control, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, automatic climate control with 3 rows of AC vents, a power driver seat, auto-dimming IRVM, sliding and reclining second row seats, 50-50 split folding third row seats, leather upholstery, 9 speakers from JBL including a subwoofer, and a reverse parking camera. Another important point to note is that the Tata Safari will be available either as a 6-seater or a 7-seater. The 6-seater will feature individual captain seats for the second row. This new Tata Safari is also likely to offer electronic park brake with auto hold function on the top spec variants. In terms of safety features, the new Tata Safari will also feature 6 airbags on the top spec variants, whereas all variants will come as standard with ABS, EBD, all-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability program, traction control, hill hold, rollover mitigation, electronic brake pre-fill, electronic brake disc wiping, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. However, it is not sure whether the new Tata Safari will come with an electric sunroof, as the prototype showcased at the Delhi Auto Expo didn't have it. The new Tata Safari will come with a 2-liter Cryotech 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine already seen on the Tata Harrier, which produces 170 PS of maximum power and a torque figure of 350 Nm through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. All variants of the brand new Tata Safari is also likely to feature 3 multiple engine drive modes including the City mode, Economy mode and the Sports mode, quite similar to the Tata Harrier. And on the top spec variants, this new Safari will also feature terrain response modes including regular road mode, rough road mode and wet mode. The top spec variants will also feature hill descent control as a part of the terrain response modes. This new generation Tata Safari is expected to be unveiled on the 26th of January and is also likely to be priced around rupees 1 lakh higher than the existing Tata Harrier 5-seat midsize SUV. Stay tuned for further updates on the brand new Tata Safari. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this next generation Tata Safari based on the Tata Harrier and whether this is a proper worthy successor for the legendary Tata Safari. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, click the like buttons and give your